How are you, grade 3 students? Let's start our revision. The first kind of questions is choose the correct answer. Number 1. Direct current can be produced from electrochemical cells, electric generators, or electric power station. As we studied before, there are two types of electric current: direct current and alternative current. Direct current is produced from electrochemical cells such as batteries or dry cells, while the alternative current is produced from the electric generators. So the answer is electrochemical cells. Direct current can be produced from electrochemical cells. Number 2, the reaction of oil with caustic soda is one of space reactions, very fast, relatively slow, very slow. This reaction is one of relatively slow reactions, which take sometimes reaches 4 days. Number 3, a hormone called space stimulates the release of stored sugar from the liver: estrogen, insulin, or glucagon. We know that there are two hormones which regulate the levels of glucose sugar in the blood, which are insulin hormone and the glucagon hormone. Insulin hormone elevates or reduces the levels of glucose sugar in the blood, while glucagon elevates or increases the glucose levels in the blood by releasing the stored sugar from the liver. So the answer is glucagon. Number 4, the space effects of radiation are a result of changing the sex chromosomes of the cells. From the effects of radiation changing the sex chromosomes of the cell, and as we know that chromosomes consist of genes, so this effect is known as genetic effect. The answer is genetic effect. Number 5, on heating red mercuric oxide, it decomposes into oxygen, mercury, or oxygen and mercury. On heating red mercuric oxide, thermal decomposition occurs and the compound decomposes into oxygen and mercury. Mercury has silver color, while oxygen gas is evolving from the reaction. So on heating red mercuric oxide, we observe that silver color appear. Number 6, at the beginning of the reaction, the percentages of the reactants concentration equal 100%, 0%, 50%, or no correct answer. At the beginning of any reaction, the percentage of reactants is 100%. Then this concentration decreases by time and the concentration of products increases until at the end of the reaction the reactant concentration becomes 0% while the product concentration becomes 100%. So at the beginning of the reaction, the reactants concentration equal 100%. Number 7, the mathematical relation of Ohm's law is. The answer is number A, R equal V over I. The scientist Ohm studied the relation between the potential difference and the intensity of the electric current, and he found that the ratio between the potential difference and intensity of the electric current is always constant value, which is R, or resistance. So the relation is R equal V over R. Number 8. The scientist who discovers radioactivity was Becquerel. The scientist who discovers radioactivity is Becquerel. Number 9. The two factors of a hereditary trait are similar in space individuals, pure hybrid recessive or pure unrecessive. If the two factors that control the genes or the hereditary trait are similar, the individual is called pure individual. But if they are different, the individual is called hybrid individual. So the answer here is pure. Number 10. 4 similar electric cells are connected in series. Each one has electromotive force of 1.5 volt. So the total electromotive force equals space volt. 3, 6, 1.5 or 12. In case of series connection for similar cells, the total electromotive force equal the sum of electromotive force of all cells. So the total electromotive force equal 6 volt. Number 11. Measuring unit of the quantity of electricity is ampere, coulomb, volt, joule. The measuring unit of the quantity of electricity is coulomb. Number 12. Space hormone liberates the energy necessary for the body from food. Growth hormone, estrogen, thyroxine, progesterone. The hormone that liberates the energy necessary for the body from food is thyroxine, which is secreted by thyroid gland and responsible for regulation of food metabolism. Number 13. By adding silver nitrate to sodium chloride solution, space precipitate is formed, black, white, blue, or brown. By adding silver nitrate to sodium chloride solution, double substitution occurs between the two compounds, result in or produce a compound called silver chloride, which is a white precipitate. So the answer is white precipitate. Number 14. At the end of the chemical reaction, the concentration of the reactants is 0%, 25%, 50%, or 100%. As we mentioned before, the concentration of the reactants at the beginning of the reaction is 100%, then decreases by time until it reaches at the end of the reaction to 0%. So the answer here is 0%. Number 15. The substance which changes the rate of the chemical reaction without being changed is known as catalyst. The catalyst is the substance which changes the rate of the chemical reaction without being changed. So the answer is catalyst. Number 16. By adding copper fillings to dilute hydrochloric acid, space is formed. Copper oxide, copper chloride, hydrogen gas, or no reaction. From the chemical activity series, we know that copper comes from hydrogen in the comes after hydrogen in the chemical activity series. So it can't replace the hydrogen of the acid and no reaction takes place. So the answer is no reaction. Number 17. The hormone that controls the calcium levels in the blood is calcitonin, adrenaline, estrogen, or insulin. The hormone which controls the calcium levels in the blood is calcitonin hormone. Thank you.